Okay, that was... He is the worst player in the world. Fuck's sake. Oh my god. Oh fuck.
I would get only 6.
Oh shit. Daddy, save me.
Oh boy.
Okay. He is the worst player in the world. You may as well just edit all this out.
I'm okay. Wait.
Mainly because I'm eating.
Oh boy.
Timeout over. Graveyard.
Please don't die. Please don't die.
I bet by the end of this game you're gonna get called out for hacking.
Wanna bet?
Yeah. Hacks.
I'll give you something.
I'm not giving you anything. I just bet you will. I don't know the call signs for this map, so I know this one's on site. To your left, to your left.
I know.
I'm sorry, I thought you were too gay to hear.
I have ears, you fuck.
Do you?
No. Hello there. My name is gay.
Ah! You are the world's worst player.
Start epic music here. Boom.
Stop! Please! Oh my god! Oh my god! You know what? Carry on! Thanks. I always wanted a bomb. Let's go blow up the school! Woo! Did you really just do that? Flash from the left.
Ah!
Did
I'm
you just...
not a Jew, go away! You jumped out of my shot.
Oh, he's an idiot. He turned around and started shooting from behind.
Please